here and they've taken our parents!
What are we gonna do?
Follow me!
Oh no! It's the Brainling innovation! Oh no! There's no rules, it's amazing! So now it's time to act fast. Build the whole base in this Swell Mart, gonna get our parents back. And now we plan our sweet attack. We'll show those crazy Brainlings where the real party's at.
So I know this probably isn't optimal, but at least we got the Swell Mart back, right?
Not optimal, Nate? When the Swell Mart landed on Brainling HQ, it lost power to its scoof stabilizer turbines. If we don't do something soon, we'll be stuck like this forever.
Forever's a pretty long time, Louie. Brian's gonna look up eventually.
Ah, what's this? Oh, nothing much.
Just a giant flying mall on top of our base. Whoa!
Yeah, we gotta get this mall back on the ground fast.
Ooh, something shiny. I had it. It was mine. How can I lose a giant flying mall? And this confounded radar keeps telling me Sweet's right here. How can they be right here when I'm right here and they're not here?
Help! I wanted to build a pillow fort, and you were supposed to help me. I almost got crushed, Brian! Would you stop looking for that magical disappearing mall? You've been neglecting your chores!
I don't see why I have to sign your name on these autographs.
It's for my fan club. Ooh, and once you've signed all 8,000 copies, I need you to mail them to me. I'm my biggest fan.
No monsters under the bed.
Are you sure? Check again. Thanks. Good night. Brian, I want you to hire an assistant. Why get caught up in the small stuff, like finding malls and running the universe's greatest army, when you could be shaving my back? Please, Brian.
Of course. An assistant could keep the Emperor off my back by shaving his, and I could focus all my evil efforts on finding Sweet.
What are we laughing at?
Will you cut that out?
Sweet! When Brian took over the Swell Mart, he installed these Brainling fart-powered scoof turbines to make it fly. Turbines which are, quite literally, out of gas.
So if we get more scoof, we can achieve liftoff?
Again with the alien farts?
Oh, and how are we supposed to get him? Knock on the Brainling's door and ask him to fart in our engine?
Listen, quick, everyone back to the electronics department. Everybody, look!
It's like a commercial.
Who wants to be my assistant? You! You get to shoot lasers! You! The ladies will love you! You!
It's Brian!
You'll get to eat like a king! You! Duties may also include shaving the Emperor's back, feet, ears, clipping toenails, and/or cracking nuts. Don't be a traitor! Be my assistant! Was that good? How was that?
Brian needs an assistant?
Oh no,
I'll be that assistant.
he did it.
And I'll assist myself in taking his scoof. I'm gonna get us some alien farts.
Sweet!
I'm at the interview. The competition looks tough. And this outfit really doesn't breathe.
Tell him neither will he if he gets caught.
Turret says you look good.
Oh, what a nice thing to say.
You're too pink! Next! You there, big guy at the end! I like the cut of your pink.
Here goes.
Enter!
Hi, I'm, Jerry. It's very nice to meet you.
Yes, it is nice to meet me.
What?
I said... Oh, never mind. You speak Earthish? Jerry?
I, took Earth immersion in school.
Uneducated man. Impressive.
I'm not hiring an interpreter. Do you have military experience? Are you good with a blaster? You're a strange-looking Brainling, aren't you?
They broke the mold when I was made.
That's what Mommy always says about me. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite type of sticker? Favorite appliance? Favorite animal riding an appliance covered in stickers?
Well...
Did you say whale? That was my answer! We have so much in common. I like you, Jer.
Wait, what?
Fire him!
Make sure to lowball him. No dental.
Operation Fart Fetch is a go.
Sweet!
You're so fast! It's nuts!
Remember, don't crack. I mean, do crack, but don't crack.
Good hustle, Jerry!
Yeah! Remember to mail them to me. I'm not just the fan club president, I'm the only member. That's why it's called a fan club and not a fans club.
Good hustle, Jer!
Uh-oh.
The Scoof. Grab! Grab!
Really?
Space Speed Cupcakes! One for me, one for you. We're eating 20, Jer.
You demand, Jane the Airy? Where can that mole be? Say, Jer, if you had a giant flying mole, where would you hide it?
Maybe at the center of the Earth?
Great theory! We'll start drilling tomorrow. Thanks, J-Man with the J-Plan.
Aha!
Tell him to hurry up. If we don't get that scoop soon, gravity will decide the Swell Mart's fate.
The brain said if you don't get back now, the Swell Mart's going splat.
I'm trying! Coming, Brian! At this rate, I'll never fill this canister.
Hey, Jer.
Go! Of course! Big butt, big farts! Woo! Come on, sleepyhead. Eat your space beans.
Space beans make me so sleepy. And gassy.
That's the plan.
Somebody hit the snooze button.
This is it! The big one! Got it!
Oh, Jerry, I made us a scrapbook. Ah! Nate! What did you do to Jerry?
Hi?
Sound the alarm! Get him!
Back off! I've got gas and I'm not afraid to use it!
You're trapped, Nate!
Here goes!
Now? The Swell Mart! It really was here all along!
Keep it down over there. Some of us are trying to sleep. Excuse me.
Nate, come in! Aw, man, you stink. Respect!
Yes, the fact that I'm almost passing out fills me with hope. Pass the scoop, Nate.
You have no idea what I went through to get this.
Where did the gas go?
I'm sorry, it takes a lot of farts to blast Brainlings. Oh no.
Finally! I found the Swell Mart! Again! Prepare to strike!
I'm gonna be sick! I'm sorry, guys. I let you down. Again.
Gross!
Okay, now I'm extra sorry.
Ew!
Really?
Hey, you try eating nothing but space beans for a day.
Nate, you've been eating so many space beans, you're farting. Scoof!
Pull my finger.
Space grind!
I knew you had farts in you, bro.
Oh, I'm just happy the Swell Mart is back on solid ground.
And here's hoping Brian's a big enough dope not to find it again.
We'll miss you, Jerry. You weren't just Employee of the Month, you were Employee of the Heart.
Who's Jerry? Was he that kid in the Brainling costume?
Aha! Found you!
Oh man, no fair! I got distracted! Check it out! I found a perfectly good cupcake! Well, it looked perfectly good.
Found you, turret!
How'd you do that?
Need I remind you that I'm an expert in the art of tactical camouflage and active recovery?
Tactical camouflage and active recovery?
Aren't we playing hide and seek?
Well, yeah, but hide and seek doesn't sound as cool as found you! Jumbo Ninja, just because you can't see me doesn't mean I can't see you. Okay, now to find Lily.
She's so tiny, she'll be hard to find.
True, teeny tininess is a big advantage in TCAAR.
It's an acronym now?
Shh. Ah, found you! Huh?
Aww. Lily has the hiccups. Quit! It, you guys, not cool.
Again, J Ninja, we can still see you.
Hello, kids! Playing hide and seek, are we? Well, it appears it is I who has seeked you!
Seeked isn't like even a word, Brian.
Seriously, Brian. Use a dictionary, Mary.
Whatever. Get them! Wait, what was that? Hiccups!
So, you don't like hiccups?
Oh, right, the hiccups. Forgot you never had them. I had the hiccups when I was little, so I'm totally immune now.
And that's what happens to Brainlings who aren't immune?
Sometimes that, sometimes other stuff.
Cool.
I can't take it anymore! Retreat!
Did you see that? I'm amazing!
Sweet!
Guys, Lily has so much power now. This is big.
I think it's because of the these.
Maybe we should all get the hiccups. We'd be unstoppable, and it'd be pretty cool.
Hiccups choose you, man. You can't choose them.
Exactly. And Lily's been chosen as her ultimate pajama-wearing weapon of Brainling butt kicking.
Ultimate weapon? Pajama? That's my little sister you're talking about. I can't let you put her in danger.
Didn't you see those Brainlings explode? It was awesome!
Yeah, guys, I'm awesome! And I can take care of myself!
Of course you can. But you're too young and small to really, like, be helpful.
You're just jealous that I'm so good at hide and seek.
Tactical camouflage and...
Whatever.
Until Lily's hiccups are gone, we'll need to keep a close eye on her the whole time. Lily? Lily!
She's gone.
New plan, find Lily. Again.
Sweetie!
Nate's so lame. I'm not in danger. I'm a Brainling beating machine. I'm the best chance we ever had to find our parents. I'll show him.
Brian? Want a Brainling butter and jelly sandwich? Smooshy sandwiches cure everything.
Not now, your jelliousness. We must be vigilant.
Oh, Brian!
That hiccuping brat is here. She needs to be stopped. Sound the alarm!
Making sandwiches is hard.
Hey, what's so funny? Yeah, that is funny. Not bad, but could use more Brainling. Ka-chink, ka-chink! This alien base ain't big enough for the both of us. Fastest hiccuper in the West.
She's unstoppable.
What? I can't hear you on account of the sandwiches!
Of course. The sandwiches. I mean sandwiches. How delightfully simple.
What?
Clink, 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 clink. Bullseye! It's no use, coward. You can run, but you can't hide. Time for an epic showdown! Okay, Brian. Clink, clink, clink. It's time to settle this like men. I said it's time to... Oh, no. Oh, well. Looks like you got me.
I'm sorry. What was that?
I said...
It's time for you to pay for the terror you inflicted upon me. It really hurts, you know.
Hi, guys! It's me, Dr. Emperor Smart Doctor Guy.
Oh, great, your pink flabbiness. I don't suppose you want to help?
I'll cure this patient with my hiccup home remedies. Let me try, Brian, please.
Will she suffer?
Oh, goodness, no.
Then I suppose.
You're supposed to drink the water out of the wrong side of the glass. But what's the wrong side of a circle?
Your fantasticness, why don't you use your wonderful remedies on the human?
What do you mean, Brian?
I mean, she should be drinking the... Oh, never mind.
I'm gonna scare these hiccups away. Boo! Oh, I'm terrified.
Aren't you supposed to try to scare me?
Hey, who's the doctor here? We're gonna jiggle those hiccups right out. Still hiccuping? I better jump harder!
My royal alien wedding commemorative plate!
Hey, Brian!
Pays for horses, foolish child. Wait! I just hurt you. That's not good.
Brian, are you okay? I don't think my remedies are working yet. Cool! Wait! Little girl, I made you a hiccup-curing sandwich.
Perhaps later. I got a job to finish.
Suit yourself.
No, no, no! Please stop.
Say Lily's the best.
Lily's the best.
Say Brian's a pretty princess.
Brian's a pretty princess.
Now free all the grown-ups.
What? Never. Fine, I'll do it. Just stop the pain. No more hiccups. Your parents are...
Found you! All right, Brian. Give us Lily's back and nobody gets hurt.
But...
Yes, take her. That's fine. See you later. Bye-bye now.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Way to go, genius. Brian was just about to... Hey, my hiccups are gone.
Wait, did she just say her hiccups are gone?
No.
Hiccup. Hiccup.
Run.
Whatever. It's been a long day.
Sweet.
You're lucky we got you out of there alive, Lily.
What?
Aren't you gonna thank us for saving you after you went out on your own and got caught by the Brainlings?
That's not what happened. I was about to save our parents.
What are you talking about? You're lucky we got there just in time, and we cured your hiccups.
Well, that part's true.
You're welcome.
Well, I still think you'd make a great weapon. Like a grenade or a human cannonball. I mean, look at the size of your head.
You really think so? I'd beat a bomb. Literally.
Yeah, I don't think so.
My earmuffs! Where are my earmuffs?
Scare me, Brian! Scare me!
Scare me!